1968 Buick LeSabre convertible. She has the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint is in driver quality condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. She has a little bit of surface that can be knocked down and treated, but nothing that's cancerous. Interior is in great shape. Convertible top functions as you should. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good condition. Seats nice and clean. Back seat. Convertible top functions as you should. Check out the dash. Now let's reach a little over 74,000. Upper dash. Lower. She has the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power steering, AC, power brakes. Start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information is going to be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.